Hello guys and welcome back to another video where you join me at Dubai Expo 2020 to go to the India Pavilion. It's been the most requested, so here we go. About India making it to space for the first time. What? That's us. Rocket assemble. I'm gonna go for the PSLV. Oh. What? Boom. I just launched my first rocket. Now we're inside like an orb. I didn't expect to see live yoga in here. This area is very peaceful. I feel like I'm in some sort of like garden somewhere, and now we're going into... Wow. Goodbye forest. So far on level 1, we've launched a rocket and gone to space, and we've gone to some garden and done some yoga. This is a wild ride already, and we're only on floor 1 now. India is celebrating 75 years of independence. So this is what a lot of these models are about. Some of these models are projects that have been worked on for the 75 years of independence that India has recently had. I've been there. This is where I got this picture. Boom. Taj Mahal. They have mirrors on this floor, so all of these screens are like reflected. It's a bit trippy actually. But it has such a cool effect as you're walking around. You feel like you're in these places. Like all these animals I'm with, chilling with the hippopotamuses. On each of the floors there's also business zones and meeting rooms for obviously people that are here on business, such as you can see behind me. Just made it to the top. So up the top here is a bit more of a business zone, which each of the stalls that have sponsored this pavilion have their own little section to show what they're about and advertise. So there's some cool ideas here, and even Lulu hypermarket where we get our strawberries. Oh yes. There's some more business zones down here. Heading back down actually means there's a couple more things to see on the way out. It isn't just straight back down. Here there's some more learning spaces and some facts and figures about what India has been up to recently in terms of sustainability, solar power and renewable energy. Down here there's some more models of temples and some of the tourist attractions that you'd want to visit in India. I've actually been to a couple of these things in my India vlogs from like years ago. So if you want to see Baby Bradley vlogging in India, go and check them out. Or not, this one got washed away. Although we're coming to the end of the pavilion, we're heading outside and there's a little stage with something going on. So let's go and have a look. There's also a little Indian kitchen over here to get some food. almost missed out on the little Indian market, but don't worry, we're here. So that is it from the India Pavilion behind me. I hope you enjoyed this little tour around. Stay tuned for loads more Expo content. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you at Expo next time. Boom.